step there. This one goes to the top. Heave ho, men! Heave! Watch that crate. Move it along now. All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3!
Fresh duck! Get your fresh duck here!
Finest silks from Canton. This flour is finely ground.
Good, we will have enough for the gathering tomorrow.
Buen trabajo, hijos. Dios los bendiga.
¡Arre, buey! ¡Andale! How much for the lot of hides? 200 pesos, señor. Apúrense. Hev! Ho, Hev! Watch where you're going with that. Lend a hand here, will ya? This crate is heavy. Fresh picks. Get them while they last. To the shore. Move faster. Leave the gear. Let's go! $20 for a shovel. $20? That's robbery. I'll take it if you won't. There we are. Precisely the agreed-upon weight. Very well.
hot coffee and fresh shucked oysters. Right here, gentlemen. Warm yourselves up.
Good evening, Mr. Stanford.
A marvelous turnout tonight, indeed.
Another 12 hours for barely $1.
Keep moving, the foreman's watching.
All right, lift together. Mind your backs. Steady now, steady. Bring her round.
I must say, the mansion is splendidly decorated this evening.
Indeed, and the waltz is simply divine, Mr. Crocker.
Heave! All together now, lift! Watch the beam coming through. Make way. How much for this red silk?
50 cents a yard.
I will give you 30. Run for your lives!
Watch out above!
Keep moving! Don't look back! Help me, please, my child! It's coming down! Run faster!
We'll be all right, you know?
Yes, as long as we have each other.
Look at that view. It's absolutely stunning up here. I know, the colors are incredible.
Look, kids, this is where the old city stood before the earthquake.
It's amazing it's still here. Look how bright the bridge is from here. It looks amazing.
It really does, son. I'm glad we came out tonight.